During this quarantine time, doing little bits of spring cleaning have been really useful. Try and make things that little bit better for you when stuff starts getting hectic again.
It's Monday at Perspective Pictures. We have kicked off today with our daily scrum. It's a great way to kick off the week.
One thing that I have been making religiously at the moment is these frothy coffees. Frothy coffee in the morning, bit of ice in there. Perfect way to start the day.
So, welcome to my day. Today I'm going to be working again on this really big deliverable project. 180 videos, 3 different languages, there's a lot going on. So that requires my full attention, so I'm working on that constantly.
The first task on my list today is catching up with Jay Catry, our head of operations. We're going to be reviewing the work in progress report. Before we get into the admin tasks, we've got to choose a good playlist. How about Tom Lee's Perspective Pictures playlist?
So today, as you can see, I'm working on Premiere Pro and After Effects. Okay, so for this particular video, I've got a lot of tracking to do, and as you can see, frame by frame, I'm tracking it.
During this quarantine time, doing little bits of spring cleaning have been really useful. So that's why I've been doing small things like checking out the server, making sure it's been running properly, cleaning out the dust, maintaining the Wi-Fi system so that when everyone's coming back, they're all able to connect and get optimal speeds. Just small little quality of life improvements that I normally wouldn't be able to do in my day-to-day time, which is maybe something that everyone could do when they're at home. Just small little changes every day. If you're feeling up for it, just a small little spring clean, you know, try and make things that little bit better for you when, you know, stuff starts getting hectic again.
I've done a bad thing. So I was pacing up and down outside somewhere on the phone. I left my laptop on that bin, and I came back and it's fallen off the bin.
See here, just really annoyed that wasn't shut. How annoying.
Socially distancing and with takeaway. I love it. From the vlog to the pizza box.
As part of my tech supporty role today, I've been working on our server system. This is one of our old NAS drives. It's good, but it's a bit small for what we've got at the moment. It's got loads of 10 terabyte hard drives in there. Probably by the end of the year, we're going to look at upgrading and getting a proper nice big NAS storage system that everyone can remote connect to Ethernet-wise for nice quick speeds.
So today I just had to shoot a little segment for a recruitment video for our company, and I've just been setting up the camera quickly, radio mic myself up. I don't usually shoot myself very often, but I guess this time I had to, and I thought might as well do it properly. And now I'm just uploading the footage. It might take a while. I shot in 4K, and it might just be a while until it actually is all up.
This is our mesh Wi-Fi system here. So we've got a few of these, super simple. They all kind of connect to each other, and then when you're walking around the building, because it's quite big, whichever one you have the best connection to is what your device will connect to. That's the other side of the mesh Wi-Fi system, sitting quietly in the other room, probably not being used very much right now. But I've just given it a new cable out the back, so the old one was looking a bit naff. I'm already noticing about 10 meg extra speed from where it was before, so hey. Small bits of spring cleaning. Keep yourself busy, eh? Of course, one of my mini crushes in life is tech support and data management. So if anyone wants to chat data management, hit me up, Oliver at PerspectivePictures.com. I would happily talk for hours about data management with anyone that wants to. I'm gonna try and get some nicer B-roll of all of this for you, Angus. Oh, B-roll, B-roll. Oh, server drives.